Kwesiga yature n'amegera izoba ubu yabanagambira abantu barwo mu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe umushomo gwatebekanisa gw'ekitongore cya URSB Las Vegas Hotel mu Rurembo Mbarara aba bashomesebwa hankoreji no kwera yambe bitongore umuyanga
mbwenu eji register neyo kuyamba ngo buli waba nokora business yawe umanye aboli kukolegana nabo ni baha kandi umanye naho kubashanga kandi umanye no muri ecyo kitongole noho ino bushoborozi koli kurebirwa Mbarara ninga university numanya ota ino bushoborozi so nitwenda ngo tukugambire waje ryejo register ekine kitongole ni company ninga ni sako konka bino bushoborozo muri ryeji sako ni nankana nanka mbwenu waba nogamba nabo abyeji sako umanye ngo abali ugamba nabo n'abantu abahikire
Okurigira Commissioner Kwesiga buri kitongore kirayandikise nkiza kuhebwa endanga bitongore ninga shigete entry registration number kandi yarabure bitongore bitarayandikise ngo biza kuferwa ibintu bingi omuli okuferwa ubuhereza bwa government
abatali ba government kandi nebyo mu government ngo byona bize omu register emwe nko kumuli kureba hariho register y'abantu ya national ID noleba waba noza kuguzitaka waba noza kuguza pichipichi buli muntu wena nakubuza ngo mihogwe muntu no mumanya yakuha endanga muntu mugene obushobozo batuhire nubwo gukora endanga bitongole byona bya government yetendanga bitongole oba ni irwariro oba nekerezia oba no muzigiti oba ni company ahabwo kubebe bitongole byaba nibikole mirimo yabyo nabyo nibigura amataka nabyo nibigura amamotoka ngeno nabyo nibikora business.
Ambassador Francis Butagira urukora nka chairman board wa URSB yashaba abanya-Uganda kuhagera enkoreji agumize ngo nibeja kwerwa cyango.
It is a one-stop center, a one-stop shop. Up to now, there are many organized agencies, churches, all of these entities which are scattered, they are fragmented, there is no coordination. So if you are doing research, you have to go individually to these organizations. Now that takes time and it's cumbersome. But now we are introducing a system where you just go on one spot and access all the information you want.
Ande chirunje munonga nibaza kwatanisa n'ebitongore bya government nkaza URA narishe ecemshoro nka ecabashomesa ebina byone bikugita abakozo mu Uganda n'aba business kugira ngo batunje amazima agakwise abantu abo bakuza kuhandikisa akararoro.
Awa TV West Ndabdukarim Sengendo.